Part of my pre-match routine, I used to have a little hot bath, and Gazza walks in and he goes, you're always doing that. I said, why'd you do it? I said, well, I'm always a bit stiff and I just a quick stretch and it just makes me feel better before I warm up. He went, I might try it. I went, yeah, do it. I said, just, a couple of minutes, quick stretch, bosh, out you get. So I get out, he jumps in. I go out, get my kit on, go out onto the pitch, I do 15, 20 minutes of a warm-up and came back in and I look in and Gazza is still in the bath. He's been in there for 20 minutes. He's got the water up to his neck like this and it's boiling hot and his face looked like a strawberry. I went, don't tell me you've been in there since I left. He went, why, eh? It's great. We go out onto the pitch, right? We're all over the shop and he's having one and he's going, oi, Links, what have you done? What have you done to me? I'm all giddy like. We're getting at half time. I think we're 2 down or something. Terry Venables has gone, Gazza, what's the matter with you? He went, it's Lineker's fault. He told me to have a bath and I'm all dizzy and I can't eat.